guys, very late start this morning. We definitely overdone it in El Nido last night through a few too many red horses. We were really surprised, like we were saying, about the nightlife. Partying out onto the beach and that people were. We're not too sure about that, we don't think we agree with that. We like how it was in Boracay that you couldn't really drink on the beach, because a lot of people were drinking on the beach here even though you're not meant to. But yeah, we're gonna go out, I think we're gonna get an iced coffee or something because we are knackered and my head is pounding.
We're at Habibi along the beach front, it's like a little restaurant slash bar, I suppose. We haven't gone for a beer this morning, we have gone for a lovely iced coffee. It's so humid out there, like the weather is so different to Boracay. I don't know if that's just me, but like even in Puerto Princesa it was really, really humid. So we definitely need an iced coffee. Thank you.
Thank you.
Ooh, look at that.
That iced coffee is slowly taking away the headache. We have been a little bit productive this morning. We walked around town trying to sort out our island hopping tour. Unfortunately, the rules and regulations here have changed quite a bit since what we heard. So you now can't do any combination tours. You have to do one of the 4 tours. So the most common are A and Tour C, and a lot of people combine that so they can see more in less time. But we have had to opt for one of them tours because you now can't visit too many places to help preserve the lagoons basically, which is a good thing because it's become so popular. And I don't know, we don't want too many people to go there and then it ends up like Boracay. So it is a good idea, but be prepared to have to book 2 tours on 2 different days. So maybe extend your stay in El Nido by a day or 2.
Also, with Tour A, you have to choose between the big lagoon or the small lagoon. You can no longer do them both together. Again, same sort of thing because of the rules and regulations, because of the boats. So you can only do it on a speedboat. If you want to see more, like combination tours, you can only do with a speedboat. But with Tour A, the lagoons, you can only choose one of the 2. Only certain companies have slots. We haven't washed our clothes in a while, so we've just actually found like a laundrette that will wash our clothes for 100 pesos per kilo. So what we're going to do while we've got a bit of free time this morning, we're going to go and grab some clothes that need washing and get them washed because it's been a long time.
It's well hard trying to figure out what is a kilo of clothes or 2 kilos of clothes, and sorting out the whites and the colours. I haven't got a clue. I'll let Molly sort all this out. But what's your little? You've got your little tip, haven't you? Molly reckons, I don't know if this is true, I think this is a bit not very clean. She reckons if you wash some bits, when you put it back in your case, it'll make the others smell nice.
Well, I'm not being funny, but it's a very good tip. It means you don't have to wash everything.
I'm not so sure about that. We're gonna head down there, wash our stuff, and then we're going to head up to the canopy walk and see El Nido from above. Apparently it is like the best view possible. You can't do the proper hike up the mountain now. I don't think it's safe, so you can pay to have a canopy walk with a guide. I think you have to get in a harness and everything like that, so at least we know we're going to be safe. We're exactly 2 kilos, so that will be the minimum amount, which is good news. I think we're going to go just for the wash and then dry it ourselves. Just let it dry in the sun, it's much easier because we don't want anything to shrink.
Washing done, 100 pesos per kilo. So we have 2 kilos, we've got 3 separate washes, and we're picking it up in a few hours, so that's perfect.
harness on now, safety first, of course. I think it takes about half an hour to get to the top, and it was 400 pesos each, so really, really reasonable. But I've just got to put my helmet on. Helmet is on, and we're ready. I was wrong, it takes actually 15 minutes to get to the top. And you can chill out on the observe deck and look over El Nido. Bridge is so wobbly. Don't look down. This is a bit like a program back home. I'm a celebrity, get me out of here. They have to cross this when they get evicted, but this wall is so wobbly.
Look at the views behind.
The views are breathtaking from up here. You can see all of El Nido town, you can see the further out islands, and I'm speechless. It is incredible up here. Very hot.
It is very hot.
Doing it in the midday sun. But,
or in sliders, but we made it, we're safe, and
I think it's about what was it, 210?
250 feet above.
Above sea level. It is, oh, it's just crazy. Drone problems up here because of all the metal. We have a metal interference, so we're gonna have to go down and try and fly it up here from below. But the view just makes it all worth it up here. Definitely do the canopy walk if you're in El Nido. So much fun. Honestly, I highly recommend it.
Yeah,
do the
really
canopy walk in El Nido. You'll see views that you would never see otherwise. Just got some lunch from the El Nido bakery. We got
so fresh, isn't it?
Boiling hot still. 2 cheese rolls, 2 cinnamon rolls, and it all comes to 40 pesos, 30 pesos. It's so cheap.
A bit later on now, we're back at the room. We picked up our laundry, really good. Now we're going to smell very fresh. And we loved the cheese rolls from the bakery. I think they were like cinnamon croissants. They were so amazing, so fresh. But now we think we found the best restaurant to watch the sunset, restaurant slash bar. So we're going to go and head there.
Down to Panorama, this place behind me. We can't record much in there because it's so loud, but it's honestly the best location. Look at that, ready for sunset. Cannot wait. We've got our own private bed for 1,000 minimum spend, which is quite reasonable for this place because it's very upmarket. It's a one-off treat for us tonight, guys.
shops, but going behind the like mountain.
It's the best spot, isn't it? It is the best spot. It's about 10 minutes outside of El Nido town, back towards Kron.
Yeah,
I think I'm right. I might be wrong. But
really
check it out, Panorama Beach Club. And if you don't go there, 'cause it's a bit expensive, there's a lot of others along here that are cheap. I think there's a hostel next door, and I think the alcohol and the food is a lot cheaper. But we cannot record inside tonight because it's so loud in there. You wouldn't be able to hear us think. So we're gonna have dinner and we're gonna wrap this one up. So if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, drop us a like,
and keep on dabbling.